Hello everyone. AG Stacker made a video about is stacking silver and gold an investment. Well, by stacking silver, it means stuff like buffaloes in bars kind of like this one, which are kind of generic and usually don't carry a real big premium. And then you can get a little more exotic with some of your silver bars like this one that he actually sent me. And it's really neat. But to answer the question, well, silver is bought and sold at market prices, a lot like stocks and bonds are. But one difference between silver and stocks and bonds is that silver and gold, if you buy them and hold them for a long time, they don't pay you dividends, capital gains, or nothing. Whereas stocks, mutual funds, and other things that are considered more standard investments do pay you dividends and stuff. So, I mean, even if you go and buy a lot of constitutional silver like this, 1941 Mercury diamond, pretty good shape, this probably won't be a stack price coin. However, one like this would be. Now, when I went to my coin dealer yesterday, he had a bunch of walkers, but he wanted $14 for them. And they were probably not quite this worn, but still, $14 makes me uncomfortable to be buying a 50-cent coin because that's a really high premium. But so that's one thing that is different about silver versus, and this is a silver art bar, and another round here that has a selling chip. Silver and gold doesn't pay you dividends. And if you buy jewelry like this and you pay retail for it, it's not a very good investment. This kind of stuff would be sent off to a smelter and you'd get a specific price by weight, and it'd be a lot less than what it costs to buy at retail. So, in conclusion, to my way of thinking, it is an investment, like he said, but it's not quite the same as any other investment thing. Now, somebody might say, well, at least this is backed by something physical. Meanwhile, your stock mutual funds and stuff like that is only, backed by the market sentiment in, into companies that the money managers put their mutual funds, they buy for their mutual funds. Now, for individual investors, it does take a little bit of time to go through and research a stock before you would invest in it. It's probably a few hours per stock would probably be that way. You know what you're getting. Of course, if you make a bad bet and the company goes under and you put a lot of money in that single stock, you're going to be hurting. That's why if you don't have the time, you're probably better off buying mutual funds through your 401k, Roth IRA, or if you have an individual broker account, you can buy them that way too. But yeah, it's an investment, but if you buy it, you can make pretty good money on this stuff if you buy it when it dips and you buy it over time and you don't pile so much in at one time. Because if you pile a lot in thinking it's a dip and it turns out to be a roof, then you're going to be a lot more in your silver than what it's actually worth if you try to sell it to someone. Another thing to keep in mind. Anyway, that's my video for this. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and go check out AG Stacker 1776. He's got a cool channel and he does present interesting questions and ideas.